Now, what if I tell you that 40 squats a day can make your body transform beyond your imagination? Sounds almost too good to be true, huh? But what if it was backed by science? Keep watching because when this video is over, you'll understand exactly how this one easy exercise can change your muscles, your metabolism, and even your brain. And you may never skip leg day again. Squats, the most fundamental yet most potent of exercises. But what if you already embark on doing 40 squats every day? Will you build muscle, burn fat, improve your posture, or is that just another fitness myth? So let's dive into the actual science of squats and what they do to your body. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you this. Have you ever seen a weak-legged athlete? Nope. That's because true fitness begins with lower body strength. And guess what? All hail squats, the king of leg exercises. Therefore, want to feel strong, look great, and move with confidence? Squats are a compound move, meaning they involve multiple muscle groups at once. Between squats, you use your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, calves, and even your core. But that's not the best part. RS, squats don't merely build muscle. They activate what's known as neuromuscular adaptation, which enhances coordination, strength, and balance over time. But wait, there's more. Squats also set off something known as post-activation potentiation, which promotes both explosiveness and reactivity in your muscles. That means your legs will do their jobs better, whether you're sprinting, jumping, or even just walking up the stairs. You may be sore for the first few days. That's because your muscles are experiencing microscopic tears, which is a good thing. This process, known as muscle hypertrophy, is your body's way of rebuilding stronger muscles. Your metabolism also begins to switch on, so you burn more calories even while at rest. But here's a motivational hack. Rather than interpreting soreness as pain, consider it evidence that you're getting stronger. You are one squat closer to the best you yet. After the second week, your body begins to acclimate. Your legs become stronger, everyday actions like climbing up a flight of stairs become easier, and your endurance increases. The results may also include improved posture as squats work your core muscles, which help to support your spine. You might be surprised to know professional athletes and military training programs do squats as a routine exercise in their daily activities. That's because squats develop functional strength, fitness, that helps with real-life pursuits. Whether you're lugging groceries or your children, squats allow your body to do more. And this is where it gets super exciting. Squats are an explosive movement, which requires loads of energy. This leads to higher calorie burning and fat loss over time, especially if paired with a good diet. Your butt, thighs, and calves begin to appear leaner and more sculpted. Have you ever heard of the 100 squat a day challenge? Most people who have done it say they lost inches around their waist and legs in a matter of few weeks. If they can do it, you can do it too. Your body goes even deeper transformations after a month of daily squats. Squats promote the release of growth hormone and testosterone, both important for building muscles and losing fat. They also boost blood circulation to the brain, which helps to improve focus, mood, and even stress level. Some findings indicate that doing lower body workouts regularly can postpone cognitive decline as we age. Expert insight. The University of North Texas conducted a study on seemingly unconnected themes and found that leg strength was directly related to brain health. That means that every squat you do isn't just helping to build your body, it's sharpening your mind as well. Continue this habit, and your overall fitness will get better and better. Your legs will grow stronger, your metabolism will be high, and you'll lower the chance of injury by increasing joint stability. Squats also increase your flexibility and mobility, which makes your daily life easier. Consider this. When you're 70 or 80, wouldn't you like to be able to move without pain? Squats are here to prevent you from getting broken. But hang on, what about damage to the knee? The biggest squat myth is that they hurt your knees. The truth? When performed with proper form, your knees over your toes, your back straight, squats can strengthen your knee joints and prevent injuries. Pro tip: if squats are hard for you, there's something called a box squat. Sit on a chair and stand up. This builds strength and hones your form. To continue moving forward, give these variations a shot. Jump squats increases explosive strength and fat loss. Sumo squats works inner thighs. Bulgarian split squats develop your balance and strength. Weighted squats features a data boost resistance for muscle growth. So should you start performing 40 squats each day? If the answer is yes, if you are looking for stronger legs, better posture, higher metabolism, not to mention cited brain benefits. But do keep in mind, progressive overload is important. As you grow stronger, increase reps or add resistance to keep your muscles challenged. Consider the squat an investment in your future self. Each rep you hit today is an investment in strength, energy, and confidence. The only question is, do you actually want to commit? So do you accept the 40 squat challenge? Like few squats are you doing today? Drop a comment below and tell me. And if you enjoyed the video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more science-based fitness videos. See you in the next one.